Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at the airport. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about shopping before a flight. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What item does Ellie say she really wants for her flight? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Our flight is at 3 o'clock. What time is it now?
Let me check. It's 12:30, so we have about 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours? That's a lot of time.
Yeah, we already checked in and we went through security.
Right, so we don't need to rush. We can take it easy.
I'm really happy we came early. I always worry about being late for flights.
Me too. Being late for a flight is very stressful.
But now we have so much free time. What should we do?
We could just sit and wait at the gate.
That sounds boring. Hey, we still have some time. Do you want to look around the shops here?
Yeah, good idea. Let's check out the souvenir shop first.
A souvenir shop? I love souvenir shops.
A souvenir is something you buy to remember your trip, like a small gift.
Right, something small and special. I want to find something nice for my friends.
Me too. I want to bring something back for my family.
Great, let's go. Oh, wow. This shop has so many things.
Yeah, look at those keychains. They have the name of the city on them.
They're really cute, and they come in different colors, too.
How about this one? It has a little airplane on it.
Oh, that's perfect for a trip souvenir. I really like that one.
And look over here. They have snacks and candy too.
Oh, these cookies look so good. And the box is really pretty.
I think these would be a good gift for your family, right?
Yeah, maybe. But there are so many kinds. I'm not sure which one to pick.
They also have postcards. See? There are postcards with pictures of the city.
Oh, those are nice. I like sending postcards to my friends.
Postcards are nice because they are light. Light means something is not heavy.
So they are easy to carry, right? I can put them in my bag.
Exactly, and they don't take up much space.
That's true. Postcards are usually a good idea for souvenirs.
Oh, look, they have magnets too. These are small and light, just like postcards.
These magnets are cute. I could put one on my fridge at home.
That's a nice idea. Every time you see it, you'll remember this trip.
The cookies, the postcards, or the magnets. I can't decide.
Why don't you get more than one?
Maybe, but first, let me think a little more. There are so many things here. I can't decide.
Yeah, maybe I should ask the staff. They can help us choose.
Hi there.
Can I help you with anything today?
Yes, please. We're looking for a good souvenir. Do you have something popular?
Popular? Yes, of course. Many people love our cookies.
Oh, I see. When something is popular, it means many people like it, right?
That's right. These cookies are our best sellers. Everyone loves them.
They look really nice. How much is this box?
This small box of cookies is $12.
$12. That's a pretty good price. Price means how much something costs, right?
Yes, exactly. And we also have a bigger box. The bigger one is $18.
$18 for the big box. What's the difference between the two?
The big box has more cookies, and it also has more flavors. There's chocolate, strawberry, and matcha.
Oh, matcha. That sounds great. My family would love matcha.
Then the big box would be perfect for you.
And do you have any other popular souvenirs? Something small, maybe?
Yes, these keychains are also very popular. They are $8 each.
$8. That's a nice price. They look really cute.
They are our second most popular item after the cookies.
The cookies and the keychain. I'll think about it. Let me look around a bit more.
Of course, take your time. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. You were very helpful. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Hello. Welcome to our shop. Are you looking for something special today?
Oh, hi. No, not really. I'm just looking.
Of course. Please take your time and look around.
Thank you. When I say just looking, I mean I'm not buying now. I'm only checking what you have.
No problem at all. But if you need any help, just ask me.
I will. Thank you.
By the way, we have some new items over here. They just arrived this week.
Oh, really? Let me see. Oh, this hand cream smells really good.
That one is very popular. It uses natural ingredients, things from nature, like flowers.
Oh, I love that. Natural things are gentle on your skin.
Exactly. And it makes your skin really soft.
This looks nice. When I say nice, I mean it looks good. I like it.
Thank you. Would you like to try it? You can put a little on your hand.
Oh, yes, please. Wow, it feels so smooth. And the smell is lovely.
We also have a smaller size if you want something for travel. It fits in your bag easily.
How much is the small one?
The small one is $9 and the big one is $15.
They are both nice. I'll think about it. I want to look at a few more things first.
Sure, take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. You're very kind.
This is a duty-free shop. Duty-free means there is no extra tax at the airport.
No extra tax? So things can be cheaper here than at a regular store?
Sometimes, yes, especially things like perfume, chocolate, and alcohol.
Oh, that's nice. I didn't know that. Let's go inside and look around.
Wow, look at this chocolate. The box is so beautiful. It looks like a gift already.
It really is beautiful. And look at these perfume bottles. They are so fancy.
Fancy means something special and nice, like something you don't buy every day.
Right. Everything in this shop feels fancy. It makes you feel like you want to treat yourself.
I know what you mean. Oh, look at this chocolate box. It's $30.
$30. That's a little expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but it looks really good, and it's a big box with many pieces.
True, and it's duty-free, so there's no extra tax on top of that.
Exactly. So the price you see is the price you pay. There are no extra costs.
Should I get it? It would be a nice gift.
It would be a really nice gift for someone special.
You're right. Let me think about it. I want to see a few more things.
Sure. Oh, look at those sunglasses. They look pretty cool.
They do, but I don't need sunglasses right now.
Fair enough. Maybe next trip.
Everything looks fancy here. It's fun just to look.
Yeah. By the way, do you need anything for the flight? Like travel stuff?
Oh, good point. I want to get a neck pillow. My neck always hurts on long flights.
I think there's a travel goods shop over there. Let's go check.
Hi, welcome. Can I help you find something today?
Hi. Yes, I need some things for my flight. A flight means a trip on a plane, right?
That's right. How long is your flight?
It's a long flight, about 10 hours.
Oh, 10 hours. That's a long time. Then you want to be comfortable on the plane.
Yes, exactly. Comfortable means easy and relaxing, right? I really want to feel relaxed.
Of course, we have many things that can help. Do you need a neck pillow?
Yes, I really want a good neck pillow. Do you have any?
Yes, we do. We have two kinds. This soft one here and this one with memory foam.
Which one is better for a long flight?
For a long flight, I would say this one with memory foam. It gives your neck more support.
That sounds great. How much is the memory foam one?
It's $15.
$15. That's not bad at all. This one is good for long flights, right?
Yes, definitely. Many people buy it for long flights. It's one of our most popular items.
Great. I'll take it. Oh, do you also have water and snacks?
Yes, we have water bottles right here, and snacks are on that shelf over there.
Perfect. I'll get a bottle of water and some chips. I always get hungry on the plane.
Many people do. The water is $3 and the chips are $4.
Okay, so the neck pillow, the water, and the chips. Let me see. That's $22 total, right?
That's right, $22. Would you like a bag for everything?
Yes, please. A bag would be helpful. I'll take all three.
Great choice. Here you go. I hope you have a comfortable flight.
Thank you so much. You were really helpful.
You're welcome. Have a safe and wonderful flight.
Okay, so what did you get? Show me.
I got a neck pillow, some water, and chips for the flight. Oh, and some postcards from the souvenir shop.
Nice. That's a good choice. You'll be comfortable on the plane.
I hope so. What about you? What did you buy?
I got the big box of cookies from the souvenir shop.
The $18 one with chocolate, strawberry, and matcha?
Yes, that one. It's a gift for my family. They love sweets.
That's so sweet of you. I'm sure they will love it.
I hope so. And I also got a keychain, the one with the little airplane on it.
Oh, the cute one from the souvenir shop. That was $8, right?
Yeah, $8. It's a small souvenir for myself, something to remember this trip.
I like that idea. It's nice to have something small to remind you.
What about the hand cream at the cosmetics shop? Did you buy it?
No, not this time. It was nice, but I decided to get the postcards instead.
That's a good choice too. Who are you gonna send them to?
I'll send some to my friends back home. They always love getting postcards.
That's a great idea. It's a special thing to get something in the mail.
Right? It feels more special than a text message.
Definitely. So, are you happy with everything you bought?
Yes, I'm glad we had time to shop. Glad means happy about something.
I'm glad too. Shopping at the airport was really fun.
It was. I didn't expect to find so many nice things.
Yeah, airport shops have a lot more than I thought.
Next time we fly somewhere, I want to come early again so we can shop.
You just want to shop more.
Maybe. Shopping is fun. Shopping means buying things, right?
Yes, exactly. Buying things you want or need. And airport shopping is extra fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Airport shopping is nice.
Okay, it's time to go. Let's head to the gate now.
Sounds good. Oh, wait, do you want to get some coffee before we go?
We don't have that much time left.
Okay, let's go to the gate then.
Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What item does Ellie say she really wants for her flight? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!